is not the slightest bit shy of premium smaller SUVs. All things considered, Volvo trusts there's space at the watering opening for no less than one more. The new XC40 dispatches in the United States in the main quarter of 2018 as the organization's third model line. It additionally denotes the presentation for the new Compact Modular Architecture, which will go ahead to support the greater part of Volvo's 40 arrangement autos and also the arrangement of Geely submarque Lynk and Co. The XC40 is intended to interest a more youthful group of onlookers than Volvo's more grown-up offerings, with outside styling credited to Ian Kettle, a 31-year-old Brit whose proposition was acknowledged in 2013 when he was only a year out of the renowned Royal College of Art Configuration School. While there is a solid family likeness to Volvo's greater SUVs, it's not intended to be a younger sibling. Unmistakable XC40 points of interest incorporate an upswept raised side window, a clamshell hood, and the kind of plastic wheel curve cladding that has turned out to be visual shorthand for a hybrid lately. At 174.2 inches in length, it's 10.4 inches shorter than the XC60B that as it may, at 65.2 inches high, only 0.1 inch shorter, with a wheelbase of 106.4 inches, down 6.4 crawls from the 2018 XC60. It has been intended for enormous wheels, with 17 inches the littlest standard fitment and up to 20s offered as merchant choices. Building is regular. The XC40 has steel bodywork including its liftgate and hood and uses a strut front suspension and a multi-link raise setup. Two powertrains will be accessible from dispatch in the United States, both utilizing Volvo's turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-chamber motor. The section-level T4 will be front-driven, and the brawnier T5 will have all-wheel drive by means of low-maintenance Haldex grip on the back hub. Volvo said the T5 will have 250 drive and 258 lb-ft of torque, however hasn't discharged a power yield for the T4, albeit, in light of alternate models wearing a T4 identification, this ought to be around 200 strength. An 8-speed programmed gearbox will be standard in the US. There are no plans to offer the manual gearbox that lower controlled adaptations will get in different markets. Nor will we see the 180 HP 2.0-liter diesel that will be sold in Europe. A half-breed utilizing the 3-chamber gas motor and double grasp gearbox that Volvo enlightened us concerning a year ago will take after in the blink of an eye a short time later, and the organization additionally said it will deliver an electric form later. Two trim levels will be accessible from dispatch, despite the fact that the official line isn't to think about these as ordinary trim levels. Every get its own particular determination of outside shading decisions and in addition liberal standard hardware. The less expensive Momentum adaptation will have the choice of a white rooftop and also for the really designed forward white mirror tops and white wheels. The insignificantly more costly R design will have a shine dark rooftop as standard and some sportier outside subtle elements, including conspicuous fumes tips. A range topping inscription model will be included later. Inside, the XC40 is more radical. All adaptations will accompany a 12.3-inch computerized instrument group and additionally the same 9.0-inch picture-situated touchscreen fitted to the greater XC60, with a comparable level of availability including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Inside trim materials incorporate finished plastic trim on the entryway boards and felt in the entryway pockets. On the pre-production autos we saw, the dashboard board included an embellished design in view of a guide of the Gothenburg zone.